Marantec Comfort 280 control block wiring connection. Hi, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. This Marantec Comfort garage door opener 280 model, all same connection. This is the control board terminals, where we use to install the photocell and push button, and also need understanding terminals. Marantec single pair photocell connection. This is inside sensor circuit. Here keep in mind this 2-wire sensor. Have 1 wire white wire but black. Line and other wire is white. Now focus which terminals I scan use this C. This type of photocell connection is 2-wire system. Terminal 70 is ground. Terminal 71 is photocell terminal. The combination of this 2-wire power and safety same worked. Connection of terminal 70. This is a ground wire. Connection of 71. You can see connect white wire of photocell transmitter and receiver. If you don't have 2-wire sensor system, you have only 4-wire any sensor. Better same brand used. This is single pair of photocell 4-wire system. In 4-wire systems, 2-wire for power supply and 2-wire for safety. Terminal 3 is output plus 24-volt DC power supply. Terminal 1 is ground or common wire of the power supply. This is a circuit diagram of transmitter and receiver. This is power supply connection. Check always same polarity connect, and also check color coding of cable. This safety relay connection of photocell. First check the sensor working, then OK. If not working, better to reprogramming the machine or go setting photocell menu refresh. Command devices connection. Terminal 2 is impulse terminal or push button terminal. Terminal 1 is ground also for terminal 2. This is push button switch for push button. You can also use any normal switch. This is the simple and easy connection. You can use this switch open or stop or close by switch using. You can also connect smart system to this terminals. Let also explain terminal 4. Emergency stop, NC contact. Any NC safety device that must stop the operator when activated. You can also activate by programming. If any want to explain, just tell me, I will explain.